Next song.
You head and shoulders every day. So you're up to 100% free every day. Head and shoulders.
Get inside so that we can start our Solidarity Night. Hello, ayan. Ayan. Starting tomorrow, ang ating meals ay sa taas lahat. So dito ay misa and session. Tama po? Correct. So according to the first counselor and the convener, no? The convener of hindi pala. Kasama ka. Taigil natin ito, Tim. Pangalawakang routine. Ayoko pangatlo. Ito. Knock-knock. Who's there? ONI. ONI. Napaka-uyan. Routine. Apol. What is it katubag? Apol, who? One, two, three. Apol! Okay, ang bago ah. Muli po, inanyayahan po natin ang ating mga kapatid na pumasok na para makapagsimula po tayo ng ating Solidarity Night. No? Hindi po kami magsisimula kapag hindi po tayo kompleto. Kasi hindi po ito matatawag ng Solidarity Night, hindi matatawag ng community pag may kulang. Gusto galing magpatawa. Natugas pa man ang mga ano. Lato lang natin. No? So, aayahan po natin. No? So, of course, we would like to acknowledge the presence of our prior provincial, Reverend Father Rico Pitonsi, our first councilor, Esmeraldo Rifurial Ocar, Kuya Chris. Also known as Sani, may kasalanan ka. Yung attendance kay Kuya Dodo. Kuya Chris. Ang palayo niya, Kuya Chris. Si Chris ang palayo, Kuya Dodo. Tanawa lang din. Of course, no,
si Brother Brandon ang ating ano tawag ito?
Extended counsel
Extended Counselor of the
of the year.
year. Cook of the year.
And marketing. And
Pero
guitarist.
hindi basta-basta ha. Yung kung mga kakainin natin mga chicheria for the whole duration of our
Correct.
activity, binili pa yan doon sa Mandaluyong.
Sa Mandaluyong. Sa loob.
Correctional.
Divisoria. Oo. So, masarap yan, no? Kasi yung, ang tawag nito, may iba't ibang lasa.
Yeah.
No?
Binili niya sa Divisoria.
Divisoria.
At may papunch na kami mamaya.
Yes.
Sa mga punch mo.
Magka-black eye yung mga tao. Uwian na rin.
Uwian.
So what do you find in Divisoria?
Ah,
What do you find in Divisoria?
Plenty of things to be bought. From
Right.
head to toe.
Oh.
You can find it there.
Really?
You want to go there?
Yeah.
May tissue kayo.
Kasi may ikbik na taanin ka.
Uwian na. So, tayo na natin yung ating mga kapatid.
Ulitin natin to. Ang saya.
Baka you want to discuss your openings
Ano?
yung adding to know in the
Okay na. Okay na.
So mamaya po, may pamamaraan po tayo ng, ano tawag ito? Para magkakilanlan ang bawat isa. No? So, mamaya, actually, ang setup po natin, bukas iba na naman po yung magiging katabi ninyo.
Ay, wow.
Kasi
kaya maging katabi ko.
So may raffle yan bukas. So mangyayari po mamaya sa ating, ano tawag nito, pagkakakilanlan sa bawat isa, ay kakanta si Brother Brandon ng awit na naguluhan.
Hindi, tuturuan natin sila.
Oo.
Lahat po tayo kakanta.
Okay.
At saka ano naman ito, very simple. No? Kasi naituro na ito ng grade 1 teacher ninyo. No?
Ay, okay. This.
Yun yun, mamaya.
Sample.
Sige, ano kaya natin?
Sample. Sample. Ikaw muna tapos kami.
Okay, sige.
One.
Ay, ang ganda. Ganda mo. One.
Okay, ready?
Three. Apo.
Hindi, ang mga wordings po ay, kumusta ka? Tayo ay masaya, ipalakpak ang kamay, ituro ang paa. No? Napakabago. Padyak sa kanan, padyak sa kaliwa, umikot ka, umanap ng iba. Okay? So, every round, iba-iba ang anuhin mo. No?
Magiging partner.
Magiging partner. Hanggang sa magkakilala tayong lahat. No?
Correct.
Hanggang sa alas 9 ng gabi. Sige.
Yung program.
Sample.
Day to you.
Kumusta ka? Tayo ay masaya. Ipalakpak ang kamay at ituro ang paa. Padyak sa kanan, padyak sa kaliwa. Umikot ka, humanap ng iba. Then, meron kaming tanong.
Ano ba yun? Ano ba yun?
Tapos na kanta, the person na face me mo na humanap ng iba, may question.
May question.
Halimbawa,
Tanungin ang pangalan ng partner mo. Ngayon, tanungin naman kung taga saan siya. Parang ganon.
Then meron din pasasabog na tanong. Ano ang una mong sinasabot?
Ang ginagawa na. Ganon.
Kamay. Sagutin na kayo. Kamay.
Hindi ako din. Okay?
Sige, practice.
Sige.
Tayo.
Kamusta ka?
Happy birthday.
Kumusta ka? Ay, masaya. Ipalakpak ang kamay at ituro ang paa. Padyak sa kanan, padyak sa kaliwa. Umikot ka, humanap ng iba.
Jen, dito ka. Join ka dito. Huwag ka dyan.
Pagit ang sulit.
Nakompleta na tayo?
Sige, doon. Practice.
Okay, practice. Okay. Kumanta kayo ha, kumanta kayo.
Ilalagay niyo kayo Jordan lyrics.
Okay. Kumanta kayo, pero huwag kang sumigaw ha.
Okay. Makinig sa music. Bawal sumigaw.
Dito lahat. Ito.
Dito sa labas. Partner na.
Kumusta ka? Tayo ay masaya. Palagpag kang kamay at ituro ang paa. Padyak sa kanan, padyak sa kaliwa. Umikot ka, humanap ng iba.
Ganon.
Bakit sisigaw talaga? Tanong!
Mangita. Uban. May tatlo din dito.
Okay, tanong,
Hanap ko na kayo ng part from ano.
Sa
Yung kalubon.
Ang tanong ay,
Sample.
girlfriend ka ba?
Sige.
Girlfriend, ano ang pangalan?
5. Sige, Tika. Paris-paris muna. Paris-paris.
Girlfriend.
Harapin niyo yung mga ano nyo.
takot.
Ito.
Harapin ang mga takot.
Harapin niyo ang takot. Sige, Bitin, di makapagsalita ng Pili. Umikot ka, lumayo na pa na siya. Partner nito.
May pitpit, huwag ka matakot sa ano.
Sige, hindi ka pala. Sige, paris-paris na ba? Harapin niyo kayo ang kapares niyo. Ayan.
Okay na?
Sige.
Okay, practice. Practice pa ba? Or
Practice.
Practice maghapon, okay.
Kaya to tayo ni Johnny.
Hindi ka sa kahit sino.
Sige, ready. Ganon.
kumusta ka? Tayo ay masaya. Palagpag kang kamay at ituro ang paa. Padyak sa kanan, padyak sa kaliwa. Umikot ka, humanap ng iba. May pasigaw ka ba?
Harapin ang kasama. Harapin ang kasama.
Hoy, sample pa yun.
Sample ka lang.
Ito na, final na.
Sample.
Don, final na.
Final na? Baka final days na rin natin ito sa kaulit natin ha? Okay.
Sige, final. 1, 2, 3, go.
Lahat ka kanta.
Kumusta ka?
Tayo ay masaya. Ipalag ang kamay. Turo ang paa. Padyak sa kanan, padyak sa kaliwa. Umikot ka.
Okay, harapin ang ano? Makinig. Ngayon. May partner na magi.
Huwag kayong mamili.
Partner na magi.
Huwag kayong mamili kasi makaka-partner din tayo lahat.
Teka, ito ang tanong. Tanongin ninyo ang kapartner nyo, ano ang pangalan? Sino ang pangalan ng kanyang mga magulang? Anong pangalan ng kanyang mga magulang? Okay, sige na, tanongin na.
O, dalawa. Ano ang pangalan niya? Ano ang pangalan ng mga magulang?
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay, tapos na? Okay.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, ako.
Mamaya na kayo mag-continue mamaya. Okay. Okay.
Okay, ano mo? Juana. Ate ba?
Yes.
Tayo ay masaya.
Ipalag ang kamay. Turo ang paa. Padyak
Sa kanan, padyak sa kaliwa. Umikot ka.
Ang hirap ng pagkakita. Pero iba kakalaan.
Dapat iba-iba.
Iba-iba ha?
Baka namimili.
Makinig.
Question.
Makinig. Kuya Don, ayusin ang tanong. Formation ka.
Ito, question. Ano ang pangalan ng kapartner? Ito, kaharap mo ngayon. Tapos nakailang jowa siya nung nasa siya. Okay? Ready, get set, go!
Masasabi ko lang. Wala. Ikaw na, Joe.
Kaya siguro mga tatlo.
Tatlo seryoso. Yung tago, wala ka. Ako dito, 5.
Sige, tatlo.
Okay.
Tatlo.
So nalaman nila yung jowa ha? Okay.
Okay na.
Okay.
Sige.
Ilang jowa, no? Babae o lalaki?
Ako sa jowa lang ka ng gender.
Walang gender ha? Walang gender.
Okay. Ready?
Yes.
answer po ating mga question. So,
Ayan,
okay.
si Pipi, wala ka pa dito ka. Kay Kuya Rico ka. Diyan ka kay Kuya Rico. Bahala ka kayo. Kuya Don, ayusin mo ito. Pipi kayo partner. Ayan.
Okay.
Ako magtatanong.
Alam mo na, wait ka na. Last question mo na to.
Ano ba yun?
Kasi mag-message si Battle Sino kasi meron siyang gawain. Then continue tayo sa ating kumustahan. Okay? Oh, last for this round. Sige. Alvin, ikaw magtatanong, Alvin.
Ikaw. Yung pinakamatinding tanong para kay Dave. Dali. Si Pipi ang harap.
Sige, tanongin. Una, pangalan. Tapos, anong unang sinasabunan pag naliligo?
Ayan. Ano ba yan? Wala man ang thrill.
Okay, Larkan.
Okay, so alam na, no? Okay, so...
Awan sa muli.
Okay, so... okay, so break muna tayo mga kapatid.
Okay, balik sa upuan.
Balik na sa upuan. Okay, alam niyo na ngayon kung ano ang sinasabon ng mga kapatid niyo. Una sila na pagkaliligo.
Ako nandito pero narinig ko sagot ng Kuya Rico.
Okay, ngayon.
A message for our private.
Huminahon po muna tayo siya ng dali.
Okay, sirandaan muna natin ating mga sarili.
Ikaw, nagulo na.
Kasi ayusin lang natin. Okay, ngayon, siyempre, pakinggan natin, no? Pakinggan natin ang mensahe ng ating Trial Provincial, no other than Reverend Father Rico P. Ponce Ocar.
Biglang tahimik. Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Actually, gusto ko pa sana maglaro kasi gusto ko pa malaman marami mga bagay, anong sinasabon. Nag-enjoy ako sa moments na ito. At saka mag-alam pa tayo. Kaso lang, meron akong meeting kaming dalawa ni Dodo actually, 8 o'clock. So, I have to exit few minutes before 8. A very important meeting also. So, my message for you in this student training gathering, kanina, before coming here, nagkasundo kami ni Brother Dave na we will work in the garden. If you visit Teresa, it used to be plenty of garden sa aquaponics at also sa mga plants, pots. No? Pero karon ngayon pag pumunta kayo, ang mga tanim na sa ano na lang, mga pots, wala yung sa aquaponics. The reason is, well, a good excuse. I was busy for the past months. But I also realized I could have also spare some time for the garden. Habang nagtatrabaho kami ni Dave sa garden, nakita ko yung mga tanim na nalantak. Tsaka may mga maraming damo. So, while working the garden, I also realized, I reflected about our life as Carmelites, our vocation in Carmel, and my realization is our vocation in Carmel is like a plant. Na kung gusto natin ito ay lumago, kailangan natin alagaan. Tingnan natin what kind of soil we have. Kumplito ba ang pagdidilig natin? Is it exposed to the sunlight? Is it in the proper place? So as I reflect in this student gathering, I said, this student gathering, this is an opportunity also to look into our own personal vocation and journey in Carmel. And and we nurture together our vocation. So, nakita ko yung program for 1 week na gathering. You will pray together, you will eat together, you will listen to the different talks. There are moments for personal reflection. There are also moments for group sharing, mga games. So these are opportunities to express our way of life as Carmelites. So our way of life is our life of prayer, a life of community, a life of service. So you are given these opportunities, these moments. So this is also a way of looking into our own context or journey, kumusta na tayo, and how can we grow together in Carmel. It is my hope and my prayer that you will enjoy every moment of this gathering. Hindi lahat nagkaroon ng ganitong opportunity. Sa time namin, wala pang ganito. So hopefully, you will always look back to this encounter, moments for moment of joy, moment of thinking, getting inspiration from one another. So it's my prayer that after 1 week, the more you become close to one another, the more you get to know each other's background. Hindi lang simple unang sinasabot pag naliligo, that is part of it. Pero the more, our life history, our dreams, our frustrations or difficulties, and our common vision in Carmel. So, good luck and enjoy this gathering.
Thank you very much, Father Victor. Ngayon po, pakinggan po natin ang mensahe ng ating first counselor. At the same time, the director of the student friary, no other than Reverend Father Rico, Reverend Father Rico. Minus 2 na. June, ay sitaw na. Sige. Hindi po ako handa. Sinulat ko yung gusto kong sabihin sa inyo. So, to our dear Prior Provincial, to my fellow members of the council, to my fellow formators who are here and those who are not here, most especially to you, our dear younger brothers, but I would also like to call you younger formators. I will dare to call you that way, formators, because you really are formators. Diba, about 90% siguro ng inyong formation ay kayo ang responsable. So, agents of formation, kayo yung pinaka-responsable sa inyong formation. So, formators din kayo. We are only your co-journeyers. So, maayong gabi sa tanan. As we embark on this journey of initial formation from the postulancy to the novitiate to the student friary, we have to remember that each step that we take is a step closer to fulfilling your calling and your purpose. For you, our younger brothers and younger formators, embrace the trials and triumphs or the joys of these formation periods, knowing that every experience is shaping you into the person you are meant to be. In the midst of the seriousness and dedication required in your formation, don't forget to find joy and humor in the everyday moments of our life. And that's why
one of the purposes of why we come together in this gathering is to share the joys and the struggles that we have. Some of the most valuable lessons can come from light-hearted experiences and shared laughter. Take the time to bond in these days with your fellow formats through humorous stories and anecdotes that will create lasting memories. While the road ahead may seem long and arduous at times, remember that the serious activities you engage in are molding you into a vessel of grace and strength. Lean into the challenges, embrace the discipline of our formation, and trust in the process of formation to lead you to a deeper understanding of your faith and purpose. May you find inspiration in each other. Federico was mentioning it also earlier. And may you have the strength in your commitment and joy in the journey ahead. Remember that you are not alone in this calling. You have each other, and you have us as your co-journeyers, as your assigned formators. And that together we can support and uplift each other through the highs and the lows of our initial formation. My dear brothers, remember your dedication and perseverance will not go unnoticed, and the rewards of your formation will be endless. You will realize later when you have your solemn profession or when you become ordained, you will realize that the pains that you had to go through in the initial formation has shaped you into a good Carmelite, a minister of the people. And so, we are gathered here because we want to share these stories. But these are not simply serious stories, no, na makahilak ka, but these are also stories that we can laugh together. And we can also share our activities. We can have games, no, na basketball. We have 3 teams. Sana kami ang manalo. No? Prayer. Team prayer. But this is also our way as formators of integrating with you. Our role is not just to listen to you during ICs, but our role is to be with you. And for now, on behalf of the formators, as the convener of the IFC, I would, in all humility, ask forgiveness and understanding from you if ever we have limitations and we have failed you in some aspects of our formation. But we know we are doing our best. So my dear brothers and sisters, let us enjoy these days of our gathering, and at the same time, we give our hope and we entrust ourselves to God that this will not just be 5 days, but we will carry these experiences all throughout our initial formation. And when we become solemnly professed and ordained and will undergo ongoing formation. My dear brothers, thank you for being here. Thank you for your presence. Thank you for your gifts being shared. And thank you for the openness. Enjoy tayong lahat. At sana ay meron tayong baong pag-uwi. Salamat po.
Thank you very much, Brother Bodo, to give us the welcome remarks. At the same time, to officially open our Trivium Gathering 2024. May I call on Brother Brandon Bahayanan, our extended counselor. First student.
Thank you, June. Wala nang sa script. Our dear Prior Provincial Federico, our very own student, Friar Director, and First Counselor, Father Dudo, and Father Joseph, our provincial bursar, and the second counselor, right? So, third, good evening po, and my dear brothers. I also, I would like to acknowledge Father and Dane. Good evening po. And sa lahat po ng mga brothers, no? Ang gusto ko lang sabihin ay sinabi na lahat ni Pedro. So, ang akin lang tatlong bagay, no? Strike always a balance in everything you do. No? Because the formation is really a roller coaster ride. No? It's not a bed of roses most of the time, but it's a combination really of that ups and downs. So be open to that, embrace the trials, and embrace the corrections, no, of the brothers. No? Be flexible, be open lang, no? Because there you will grow. And secondly, sana give importance to our brotherhood, no? Wala manira, walang backbite. If you want to really talk to the brother, you can you can talk personally, and you can iron out things. Then thirdly, please, as you grow higher in your formation, this also entails sana growing deeper in your relationship with the Lord. No? So habang pamataas na pamataas ang formation, sana mas lumalalim din ang pagiging Carmelites. So yun. And with that, I hereby declare that the Carmelite Students Trinium Gathering 2024 hereby open.